And these are good measures, I mean, to protect people's entities from such.
That's fantastic.
So let's look at Uhuru's shirt, the shirt that everyone has been talking about. But of course, some Kenyans are not very happy about it because they're like, why are we using, as in, can we then use Uhuru's shirt to buy sugar and unga that is so expensive at the moment? Why is everyone fascinated about that? But I mean, that's what people choose to look at.
I will reserve my comment, but let's look at it.
And maybe you can give us your opinion, what you think about it.
No.
Yes, there's the shirt.
The only good thing we saw and liked at the JP Delegates Convention was Uhuru's shirt. Let's just hope it was not made in China.
Made in China. Of course, it was not made in China. It was made by a lady here in Kenya. We'll see we'll see her photo.
Okay.
And this is what Kenyans chose to talk about. And there's the designer, the lady behind that famous Uhuru's shirt that everyone is talking about. And yes, I don't know if you'd recommend that shirt to anyone.
Julian, the questions you're asking.
No, would you recommend that?
What if I don't like yellow on a shirt?
No,
what if?
No, the design, not the colors, the design. Okay, you don't like it. It's fine. Just find
Look at what the woman who designed Uhuru's shirt. She's not the talk of town, and everyone is looking for her now.
She's not a celebrity. Trust me, she's going to be getting a lot of orders